You see what we're here for. Get buckets, Kyrie 4. Young bloods need teaching, you dig? These are the 3. I didn't know they had these here though. Check that out. Let's get the light on. Now these shoes in front of me are crazy because I've seen them released before. I've seen them on eBay's, I've seen them on Go. I've seen them a few different places. I saw them at Equivalents, which was trippy because I thought they came out, but then I see they came out now. So I don't know which release was first or what, man. These are the Kyrie 4 red carpets. I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. Let me slide this on over so we can go ahead and get this thing open. The box is the same. They haven't changed the box up for the Kyrie 4s, no matter what it is. Mama Mentalities, the Power Females, Uncle Drew's. This red carpet box is the same. But anyway, we don't wear the boxes, right? Let's go ahead. You can see that red beaming. I love red. That's my favorite color. So by hands down, this is the shoe that I'm pretty much gonna keep in my collection. I don't think gonna get these shoes. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments section below. These are fire, man. I don't know what you guys are thinking. If you guys don't think they're fire, everybody's entitled to their opinion. So if you don't like them, you don't have to like them. I love them. These are. Ain't nothing has to be said. Just let me pull these things out the box, bro. Nothing has to be said. Nothing. But I'm gonna say a lot. Oh, hey. Hey, this ain't no pump faking. This ain't no pump faking, no joking. Shout out to the Kyrie 4 Uncle Drew. The white ones, these ones came out first. Actually, they both came, all 3 of these came out today on June 29th, but I was fortunate enough to find these Uncle Drews a little bit earlier. But what about these that you see in front of me, boy? I don't even want to touch them. What? I was surprised. I went there to go ahead, and I'm sorry, the excitement is real. I went to go check out these shoes right here, right? I looked all over the place, I called so many different places to find these Kyrie 4 lows. Some apps said they had them for Finish Line. All the locations didn't have them. I knew I could trust Foot Locker, the flagship location, Hollywood and Highland. The Shoe Palace right there and the Foot Locker right there. Got everything you need, man. If you're in the LA area, California, whatever, go to the Hollywood and Highland Foot Locker, Hollywood and Highland Shoe Palace. They're flagship locations. They get everything. So I walked in, I saw these. I made the call first. I saw these in there. I made the call, they said they were there. I asked the lady at the front, I saw these. I looked to the left. As you guys will see, I have a little mall vlog or in-store vlog. You guys should shoot that video too. Right next to him, I'm like, wait, hold on, you guys got these too? Wait, are they 120 also? She said yes. I said yes. Size 13, please, man. These are... Just take a look at them, bro. Just take a look at them. Just take a look at them. Oh man, the more I see them, the more I'm falling in love with these, bro. Look at them. Look at the toe area. Look at the collar around the foot. Wow. 30 fire emojis on this shoe right here. What? That gold, it's like a metal type thing. It has engravements on there. It can scratch. Oh man, patent leather around the shoe. All this is patent leather. You know they don't do that on any other Kyries. What? Like, what? Are you serious? Oh my God. Let me just leave that right there so y'all can see that. Kyrie, man, Nike, y'all doing a great job with these shoes. If you guys agree, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button. Oh my God, these are crazy, bro. These are ridiculous. You have the midsole, which is red. It's all like this hot fuchsia red color. I don't know. It's like a reddish pink colorway. What does it come on the screen? Does it come off as red or pink? It's like a red pink. I don't know. The shoe is fire, like a salmon color, like a deep salmon color. You have the Nike check that's in gold that has like, you can feel it. It's like, I don't even know how to explain that. The whole upper, the panel's the same. Engineered mesh all top. Then you have this gold Nike check on the outside and inside of the shoe. Whoa, I'm just so much heat. You have the gold Kyrie logo on the tongue. Then you have like this velvet carpet going around the collar of the shoe. Plastic pull tab with the Kyrie logo on both sides. We're gonna get the up close and personal detailed look at these shoes right here. These things are fire. Nothing else I can say about it besides exquisite, magnifique, 10 out of 10, 30 fire emojis. Nothing too different than they normally do, man. Nothing else different besides the color. The patent leather is something you have to like. Let me know if you guys like the patent leather or not. I think that really makes the shoe a little bit more heavier than the normal Kyrie because of the detail, maybe because of the fabric. Forget about that motorcycle going by. You guys know I live on the main street, so sometimes it gets kind of crazy. These shoes are dope, and of course we're going to get the up close and personal looks with that LED light on these bad boys so you guys can get an up close and personal look to make your choice to try to get them or not, man. You might want to try and get them while they're hot. They might not be there by the time you get there. I don't even know. I didn't ask how many pair they had left. I don't know, bro, but these right here are fire. Numero uno right now of the Kyrie colorways, in my opinion, just because of how they put it together and the materials they use. A Kyrie 4 with patent leather, that's fire. In commemorance to the Uncle Drew movie. What else can you say about that? If you guys watched the movie, let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about it. I'm going to try to get myself out there to go check it out. Also, got a lot going on, trying to get this content out, a lot of editing, but I will try to make it to go see the movie. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check out the up close and personal highlights of these shoes, as I said 50 times already. And on foot, you dig? Without further ado, I'm out. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Make sure you watch it to the end. Let them ads run for your boy. You dig? Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Once again, I'm out. Bossco Mitchell. Peace. These are fire, bruh. I was surprised to have them. That's crazy. I'm out.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
This is knocking right here.
Yo.
Willie the Kid, AMG.
Hey yo, you better tune in. A house ain't a home without chrome moving. And you don't need U-Haul, my lens zoom in. That's why I see clear, cop a brand new Benz.
Cannon, I see
new
it.
Timbs, nigga blue like the wind. Thanks Don Cannon. Hats off, the last song, wax on. He taught me.